Hello, boys and girls. This is morning work, day 2, week 16. It says Mike's class was getting ready for an exam about the planets. At first, Mike was worried he wouldn't do well because exams usually make him nervous. But his science teacher, Miss Drake, had taught him several ways to relax. She taught him to breathe deeply. She taught him to look the exam over before starting it. That way he would know what to expect. She also taught him to read each direction carefully. That way he would understand what each question was asking. Mrs. Drake's advice really helped. First, Mike took deep breaths. Then he looked over the exam. All of the questions were about the planets, and he had studied all 8 of them. Finally, Mike read the directions carefully. This time, Mike wasn't going to have any problem doing a good job on his science exam. Number 1. Which title would help a reader preview the text? Difficult tests, test advice that works, the solar system, deep breathing techniques. Number 2. What is the main problem? Mike forgot to study for his exam. Mike gets nervous when he takes exams. A. Mike forgot to study for his exam. B. Mike gets nervous when he takes exams. C. Mike does not like Miss Drake. Or D. Miss Drake does not like Mike. What is the main problem? Number 3. Which word does not have the same root as breathes? A. Breathe. B. Breathless. C. Breathed. Or D. Bread. Which word does not have the same root word as breaths or breathes? Number 4. A synonym is for carefully is blank. A synonym for carefully is blank. And remember, synonym is a word that means the same. So which word means the same as carefully? Is it A, quickly, B, closely, C, slowly, or D, indifferently? And number 5, first, then, and finally indicate what? A, the order of events. B, the importance of events. C, the significance of events. Or D, the meaning of events. And that's all for day 2.